So today's tip of the day is take advice from everyone, but do your own research on the advice that you receive. You are financially responsible for the decisions you make. So to actually explain this a little more, what I mean by this is you would be receiving advice from so many sources. CNBC would give you advice, Bloomberg would give you advice. You'll go to your friends and they'll give you advice. You'll go to your parents, they'll give you advice. Your family members will give you advice. And you would be bombarded by so many different types of advices that you'd be getting. And at the end of the day, you are responsible for your trade. It's your own money. And whether you win or lose on that particular trade is up to you. So even though you're getting advice from so many sources, I'm not saying don't take it. It is important to really listen and maybe they have a better perspective that you've not thought about. But your job as using your own money is to really research it, analyze that whatever advice has been given. If this actually makes sense to you, apply it. If it doesn't, try the next advice that you receive. So that's just my take on how you should receive advice or how you should apply the advice you've received in order to be more successful. So I hope this was useful. I've personally received tons of advice every day from so many different sources, and I spend a lot of time processing it too. So write down in the comments if you've actually experienced the same too, and what was your response to it, or how did you navigate that as well. So yeah, thank you, and see you in another video.